Hey guys, are you want to buy best SATA cables? Then you are on the right place. Our today's video is about top 5 best SATA cables that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at BolAAzuL SATA cables. The BolAAzuL high-efficiency SATA 3.0 cables deliver fast, reliable data transfer speeds of up to 6 gigabits per second. It's fully supporting SATA 3 and backward compatible with SATA I and II. This 2-pack includes both straight and 90-degree angled connectors, making it perfect for tight spaces and protecting against wear from frequent use. The flat cable design helps eliminate tangles and clutter inside your PC case, ideal for connecting HDDs, SSDs, optical drives, and more to your motherboard. These cables also support hot swapping, allowing you to connect or disconnect drives without shutting down your system. With secure locking latches and flexible rubber sleeves, installation is simple and dependable. Whether you're upgrading your build or just replacing old cables, BolAAzuL's SATA 3.0. It offers both performance and practicality for any storage setup. Now, our second product is StarTech SATA Cables. The SATA 2 USB 3.0 adapter offers a fast, convenient way to connect 2.5 SATA SSDs or HDDs directly to your laptop or PC. Perfect for quick backups, data recovery, or expanding storage. It supports transfer speeds up to 5 gigabits per second, even faster with UASP-enabled systems offering up to 70% better performance over traditional USB 3.0. No need for external power or bulky enclosures, just plug and play. Its compact, portable design makes it easy to carry in a laptop bag, ideal for techs, creators, and everyday users. Note: this adapter supports only 2.5 drives. For 3.5 compatibility, check out model USB 312 SAT3. Whether you're transferring files or reviving old drives, this bus-powered cable is a reliable, time-saving tool for any data task. Our third product is Eyoold SATA Cables. This USB 3.02 SATA adapter offers a quick and efficient way to connect any 2.5 SATA SSD or HDD to your computer. With fast transfer speeds up to 6 gigabits per second and UASP support. It's ideal for upgrading your laptop, cloning drives, or recovering data. Its plugged-in Plano drivers needed and powered directly via USB, so no external supply is required. The compact 8-inch cable makes it especially convenient for on-the-go use. An LED indicator shows power and activity status at a glance. Compatible with Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. It works with popular drive brands like Samsung and Crucial. Whether you're backing up data, adding storage, or repurposing an old hard drive, this adapter bridges the gap between SATA and USB with reliable performance and hassle-free setup. Great for home users, IT techs, and anyone needing fast, portable storage access. Now number 4. Ulxuuun SATA Cables. This universal hard drive reader is a versatile all-in-one solution for accessing 2.5, 3.5 IDE, and SATA SSDs, and even optical drives like DVD-ROMs and CDRWs, featuring both USB-A and USB-C connectors. It supports high-speed data transfers up to 5 Gbps via USB 3.0, while remaining backward compatible with older USB ports. Hot swappable and plug-and-play. It's perfect for quick backups, data recovery, and old drive access without needing to reboot. The included 12 volts to a power adapter ensures stable performance, especially for 3.5 IDE SATA drives. Thoughtful design features include an on-off switch for protection, LED status indicators, and jumper settings for IDE drives. With everything you need in the box including a power cable, USB cable, and user manual. This adapter is a must-have tool for IT professionals, tech hobbyists, and anyone managing legacy drives. And our last choice is Jsaux SATA USB cables. This compact and efficient SATA to USB 3.0 adapter is perfect for quickly accessing 2.5 SSDs or HDDs. Whether you're expanding laptop storage, backing up data, cloning drives, or recovering files, this cable makes the process fast and hassle-free. With support for 5 gigabits per second transfer speeds and up to 70% faster with UASP-enabled systems ensures high-speed performance. Designed for portability, it slips easily into your laptop bag and requires no external power for 2.5 inches drives, making it ideal for on-the-go use. It's truly plug-and-play, needing no drivers or installation. Please note, it's not compatible with 3.5 drives, IDE, MSATA, or M2 interfaces, so check your drive type before purchase. Overall, it's a reliable, time-saving solution for anyone who needs quick, easy access to SATA storage. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.